Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Oxiclean Max Force gel stick. This powerful stain remover is designed to tackle even the toughest stains. Before you begin, always identify the stain and make sure your garment is completely dry. It's also a good idea to test the gel on a small, hidden area of the fabric first to ensure color fastness. This simple step helps protect your clothes. Now, let's apply the gel. Simply turn the dial at the bottom of the stick to dispense the powerful gel. Apply it directly onto the stain, ensuring you cover the entire affected area. Use the convenient built-in nubs on the applicator to gently rub the gel deep into the fabric. This action helps the formula penetrate and break down the stain effectively, preparing it for removal. After applying the gel, allow it to work its magic. You can let the gel penetrate the stain for as little as 5 minutes, or for really tough stains, up to 1 full week. It's crucial not to let the gel dry completely on the fabric before washing. When ready, wash the garment as you normally would, using your regular detergent and the warmest water temperature recommended on the care label. For the best results, always try to treat stains as quickly as possible. The sooner you apply the Oxiclean Max Force gel stick, the better your chances of complete stain removal. If a stubborn stain persists after the first wash, don't worry. You can simply reapply the gel and rewash the item. Remember to always follow your garment's care label instructions for fabric safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.